Hey ground school members, Jason here. Welcome to the webinar. So excited, so thankful, so blessed to have you all on here. Mock Check Ride May is what we're diving into here today. Morning, MzeroA Nation. It is a gorgeous day here in Florida. Slowly making our way back to the studio, back to work. About half of us. It's our first day back in many, many months. Excited to slowly work our way back into the office. Be sharing some great behind the scenes of what we're up to. A ton of filming, a ton of meetings today. We're sharing all of that with you. It's in this one. Hi, Magic. Going back. Armin. Typical work week is my Mondays are engrossed with one-to-one meetings. I call them kind of like leadership Mondays now. It's just a chance to continue to keep a pulse on the business, what is happening. There are a ton of meetings that go through with that. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, really focusing on the filming. Thursdays, Fridays, a little bit of flying, usually more meetings, more pickups filming wise. We've been turning out a lot of content lately, if you haven't noticed. So we've been just trying to continue to stay on top of all of that. Sorry, I'm fashionably late.
No problem.
It happens. When you get old like me, you start forgetting things. Really, Wayne just ran me behind is what it was. So
that's okay.
All right, I'm ready to rock and roll. Just met with Wayne, so thank you for setting that up early, by the way. That was fantastic.
No problem. Yep. You have a meeting at 1 o'clock, I believe, right?
Yep, I have a meeting at 1 o'clock with the college, so I'll chat with them. I was peeking at that.
And then Jeffrey
Kessler.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll follow up with him too. I need to chat with him today. I also have a ton of emails and 10 Slack messages I see, so I get working on that.
I am.
No, I'm saying I need to get working on that, not you need to get working on that.
Oh, Ray Delahessie.
You're getting really, really close.
So Amanda wants to meet with you, him, and him every week.
That's fine. What's the schedule allow for?
Yeah, well, are you filming tomorrow?
I'm going to try to, but I can always make time for those guys.
Okay, so will you, and your calendar right now, it's all open. Yep, that's it.
Awesome. Well, I'll see you on our 9:30 chat then, okay?
Okay. Yep, if you need anything else, let me know.
Sounds good. I'll see you in a bit.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes of what? Hey, I'm here to talk about airplanes, not program technology.
Jason, it's an on and off button.
It's not going on.
Oh, wait. Hold on a second, Jason. What is that doing? Oh, looky there.
Hey, if this was a G1000 or an Abaddon unit, I'd have it like that. All right, I'm ready when you are, John. Am I going to have a recording over here? I'll hit the record button in a second. No, I'll just do it now. All right, that's recording. Hey, Tom, this is the Private Podcast for tomorrow. Wait till John says he's ready. He's got it.
Something about Jason that the audience wouldn't know. Jeez, there's so many things. He fancies himself a songwriter, and he's done a number of really bad parody songs that he tends to sing at work. Typically Jimmy Buffett songs that he's created his own lyrics for.
Are you gonna dance during your music video?
I mean, as much as I can. Like Shakira said, these hips don't lie. Okay? It's a slow song, it's a country song. Hey Ken Heron, Jason here. You asked me to make a video for everybody about remote ID, but Ken, I thought it was best if I wrote you a song first. The FAA made a regulation, remote ID for unmanned aviation. Uncle Sam will be watching you. How's that?
That's good.
What do you think so far? You guys like it?
Love it.
All right, what's the best thing about working in the MzeroA office?
The camaraderie with all the team, especially when Jason's not around.
Okay, so tell us something that our viewers may not know that we as employees experience here in the office.
One of the best ways that we actually say thank you to each other is through thank you notes, handwritten here in the office, and I guess a lot of companies don't really do that anymore, so it's kind of nice and not everybody knows about it, but it's definitely one of my favorite things that we do for each other. I forgot the question.
So something about Jason that we in the office know that some of the viewers may not know is that even though he's like super high energy on camera, and everybody thinks there's no way he's like that all the time. He's like that all the time. There's no off switch. It's always high energy, always on the go, and he's always writing notes in his parking lot for great new ideas. So that's Jason.
Hey Coach Ray, you're listening to Soothing Sounds, Jason Schappert on Jason Schappert Radio. Are you filming this?
I might.
Oh. Whoops. I'm very humble, I promise. It's not that I want a Jason Schappert radio station or anything. All right. Ernest, good to see you. Absolutely. Ben Crawley, absolutely. Rick, that's one of the exact words I was looking for. Tyler, you're super close. That's an instrument. Get rid of the word artificial and look at what Coach Ray said, but don't look at Coach Ray's spelling because it's not correct. But thank goodness on the check ride, Coach Ray, we don't get graded on spelling. So that's good. I'm just giving Coach Ray a hard time because he's watching all this. Wayne has agreed to let me fly the drone between his legs. We do have workman's comp insurance. Don't worry. Ooh, good shot. Like a pro. Now he's returning the favor.
Maybe. Oh.
Stay low, stay low, stay low, stay low.
All right, so you are new with MzeroA. Tell us like your excitement, your knowledge base, like what you're looking forward to working for MzeroA.
Super excited. I have no aviation background and I've been learning a ton, and I'm very excited to integrate my art ability with everything that you guys do here. That's so awesome, and I'm just really excited to like design and incorporate all that. I'm super excited.
It's a fun place to work.
Super fun.
Yeah.
What's wrong? What are you doing on Facebook, Wayne? Wayne, oh, Jason, you are the best. I love you. Oh, Wayne, that is so sweet of you to say that. Thank you.
I have a little button to cover up the cuss words here in a second.
Sounds good.
Well, he wants us all to be as healthy as we can be. Be it I'm on keto. I'm trying to lose weight so I can run a 100-mile race. I'm training for an ultra marathon, right?
Oh, now we want TikTok.
Yeah, I'm downloading TikTok. I feel like I'm too old to download TikTok.
No.
T-I-K, talk. They spell talk wrong. Rookies. Oh, there's a cool one with a dog. Look at that dog.
I'll send you some cool ones.
Oh wow, these people can dance. Hey, MzeroA Nation, Jason back with you, diving into now the second part of our mock check ride. We are in mock check ride May. Thankful, excited, blessed to be back with you all as we're going to dive into now 5. Screwed up my webinar today. I did the IFR webinar when I should have done the VFR webinar, and I'm doing the VFR webinar when I should have done the IFR webinar. My bad. That's what happens when you're 45 days out of practice of being in the studio. You know, it sneaks up on you. So anyways, I'm getting better. Good pilot's always learning. Just like Wayne, a good office dad is always learning. Wow, look at these good-looking guys. Do you need hair and makeup too?
What?
Hey, I don't have no hair.
I'm just checking on you.
What kind of fancy gadget is
Hold on a
that?
sec. Oh, let me try it again.
Yeah, do a better entrance. I don't want you to screw up. This is Lauren, by the way. I already warned her about you guys.
Hey, everybody.
You look great.
Oh, thank you so much.
Sit in the back seat.
I'm so tired.
It records the audio for.
Can't you just move it off the counter?
My iPhone will do that.
Right, see? Here, hold on a sec.
You're stressing John out.
Hold on a sec. We gotta do this.
All right, hold on.
Are we recording this? Hold on a second.
Hold on. Oh, we're live.
Oh, here.
Hey,
Oh, geez, we're
the
gonna
other
go
way.
backwards.
You know what you're doing?
This technology stuff is just crazy. Here we go.
Is that like an iPhone 2?
Wait, do like we do in the airplane.
Oh.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, MzeroA Nation, webinar's now done. Now working on, there's the MzeroA logo. Now working on some podcasts for you guys. It doesn't stop at MzeroA.com world headquarters. We're always working, always doing something. Hanging out at the podcast desk, which is just a part of the studio. I wake up every single morning. I think the team here wakes up every single morning just looking to be a better version of ourselves, setting out to create safer, smarter pilots. We are here past 5 o'clock. We are working from home remotely, and don't get me wrong, we take plenty of breaks, have plenty of fun, go on plenty of vacations, but when it comes to work, like, you will not find a more dedicated bunch. I think when we all get together, we just make ourselves better. So you see all this work, you see all this filming. We are truly on a mission, and that mission is to create safer, smarter pilots. Every day, that is what we set out to do, be a better version of ourselves and make safer, smarter pilots. I love you.
Hi, Jason. Hi, my name is Jason Schappert, and I'm here with Remote Pilot 101.
How'd that look? Ow! I could be a stunt double for Jason
I
Schappert.
couldn't go as fast as I wanted to follow him.
Got a new chair.
I need all this just to deal with Jason.
Here's what we had such a good conversation going. I'm mad.
This was 9 hours of filming. This took our entire weekend of work.
The whole setup.
Oh, look, I can tell Matt's working in the office back there.
Oh, there he is.
At least he's pretending like he is. So official. He's gonna close the blinds.
A quirk about Jason. He really hates glitter. I know you all seen some of these pranks around here, but he really, truly despises glitter. Anywhere time it gets near him, he just starts screaming like a little kid.
Wait. Oh, okay. The mailman's coming in. What?
What am I asking? I do really great behind the camera.
Ray, I hope you get all this.
Okay, what is something that you know about MzeroA that our viewers might not know?
Something, I just started here in January, so something that I found interesting about working at MzeroA is that the gentlemen in the office are not very gentlemanlike. And so They like to fart all over the place and in each other's offices, and it is so disgusting. And then when they don't have to actually fart, they use fart spray and they run everyone out of the office. So yeah, it's lovely. Lovely environment.
What do you love about working at MzeroA?
The fun. The coworkers, definitely. Everybody here's a lot of fun. Except him.
There's certainly something special about flying just for the sake of flying. You don't realize, but so often everything is, there's a lot of pressure when the cameras are on and we got to do the steep turns just right, whatever it is. You see this very polished product out there on YouTube. What you don't see is I did those steep turns 3 times to get them just right. Like I'm not some super pilot. Flying in the Technum with just nothing to worry about. Just sitting back, enjoying it, no pressures to be anywhere, no pressures to film, just you and the airplane. That to me is what flying is really all about. It's something I've just grown to love and enjoy now over the years.